We only see rainbows and ponies. After we smoke some weed, then it's back to reality where pressure's always on me. Look, I only feel alive when I be taking shit that's killing me. Those eagles' words, man, I love you, so advantage. You love, we young teenage blacks, no longer slaves. We rockin' ripped jeans with girls that look like models. Something you should know is that a nigga self-dissolved. You no matter what you do, cause I ain't never getting rid of this. I'm going vegan, all I smoke is that green leaf. Only me that chases my girl, I'm on some cannibal shit. Coming up, I made so many enemies, claiming they're my friends, but those niggas, they ain't fans of my shit. Cut the losses, the only thing you do, and every single nigga you call fam sleeping on you. So I get high, smoke a blunt and rap a verse. Haze, I feel these angels burn when I walk, so I walk through the valley, shadow of death. Shit, God's always with me on the moves that I make. I got a niece, I gotta raise, dues I gotta pay. Though my mama ain't flowing with the words that I make. Ay, cigarettes on cigarettes, my first fed as I smoke. Ain't sleeping on a nigga, I stay woke. See, I'm blind to the hate, but the vision I do not like. And my music is the key, help me open up doors. Yo, cigarettes I'm smoking got me running on my left. Mentally enriched, but disfigured by the flame. Inhale it, then I breathe. Shit, a nigga charged up, now the floor electric. They should put me on a bridge. Yeah, that shit. Hey, my mama saying I've been smoking too much, cause all my hoodies, they got boners on them. And all my pockets full of ladders and shit. She doesn't understand, I just wanna stay lit. Yeah, understand, I just wanna stay lit. Mama, understand, I'm not trying to stay lit. Yeah, understand, I just wanna stay lit. I wanna stay lit, and so I'm smoking on the my dealer selling freedom holding paper. You know that shit addictive, but he just tryna be the modern day muffin man. Marijuana baking dope, but he just tryna make a living. He sell a muffin on the streets for like 20 grand. 3 weeks later, spot a nigga, he got new Vans. He on an iPhone, it's called a hustle, homie. Bought the shit with the money that my nigga got when he was selling smoke, tryna be on cancer and shit. I'm smoking this shit, cause ain't nobody real in this shit. We're smoking this weed, cause we ain't even got no choice. Me and my boys riding out these verses and shit, curses and shit. When you be doing classes and shit, my education never pays in the streets. My people grew up in the morning before he work his shift, working for them rich niggas, do some guiding and shit. He got diploma, but my nigga has no proper job. But Mr. President flying all across the borders, set us on flames, watch us burn to take a dump on their ash. Never cared about my people, they just wanna get cash, wanna get rich. They don't care about a smoker, long as them got pot bellies, they don't care if we starve. I beat a taste in my mouth for drugs, straight to my brain. This green is doing me good, I'm smoking inspiration. Go Mary late at night, and I talk to the stars. I'm seeing UFOs and aliens. Hey, my mama saying I've been smoking too much, cause all my hoodies, they got boners on them. And all my pockets full of ladders and shit. She doesn't understand, I just wanna stay lit. Yeah, understand, I just wanna stay lit. Mama, understand, I'm not trying to stay lit. Yeah, understand, I just wanna stay lit. I wanna stay lit, and so I'm smoking on the cigarette. I've been smoking on this weed since age 16. It ain't good, but it should help a nigga meditate. I get scared from the pressure and the shit we call life. I get smoking on this weed, helps me put up a fight, but they don't get this shit. These niggas judge you, regardless what you do. Niggas always gonna doubt you, but they can't even walk about an inch, put him in no shoes. Pointed out my flaws, but I ain't never been close to perfect.
Chronic Entertainment.
Andre on the beat.
All she want is diamonds, purses and rings. All she want is it like she ain't getting gold grades no more. But now she got A's cause she fuck her lecturer. Illuminated by beauty, but in class she don't shine. Her friends is so fine, she probably let you hit it, let me hit it while she on a period and shit. After that I leave a bloody wall like a motor suicide. She probably let me swim in a deep end.
But a nigga best be wary. These truck infested waters, quarters, pennies. Money she take it, stack it. Probably gonna use that shit to get some makeup and shit. Yeah, look, she was a goddess with the beauty of a rose. A rose without a thorn, cause she ain't driven by emotions sweeter than the purest honey takes the water from a well, killing me slowly. I saw this girl was the death of me, reborn in her arms, my second resurrection. The first time I died was when a nigga laid these eyes on his prize. I fell in love, maybe infatuated, cause a nigga these days don't know the meaning word love. Beauty is what you make it, something I told myself. What the heart defines as beauty that I might not even see. She had the body of a queen, heart of stone like Medusa. A girl ever so cold cause she got her heart broken. I told her don't cry, never stress about a nigga. A man in love you put her on the corner, just is patient. But the poison on the lip make every nigga think she bad. Don't get it twisted, man, I'm talking isn't right shit. Honey ain't sweet no more. Every thought I have for a few ways gon' sting. We don't text no more, no more phone calls, yeah. We don't text no more, no more phone calls, yeah. I ain't fucking with no bitch, nah. I say I ain't fucking with no bitch, nah. Cause I ain't shit. This honey ain't sweet. Picture this, young black, he walking down the streets and shit with nothing but a beat in his ear. He medicate on some weed shit. He probably smoking all that shit to kill the pain. She lived a couple blocks from my I say, bitch ain't fucking with no nigga but me. I take her to the moon when we fuck like some nasty shit. Smoke, love, eat, take a massive shit. And back then a nigga didn't know rap, so if I fuck with that bitch with the beat, a black hoodie in my hoodie, no rubber goodie. I said it, I mean it. Ain't no nigga in my hood that can fuck with me. Pride talking shit, I'm on some lying shit. Hey, she was a woman of integrity. Soon as the sun rise, early as the moon comes, she could show you all her demons fell. Weak to emotional, almost